Hey, what's up YouTube boy Hunter back here with another video. Yeah, this is not gonna be a tutorial, I'm just gonna showcase this and I will be uploading this as soon as I'm done with this video. I finally got this thing to work like I wanted to. As you can see, when I get close to an object, you see the sensor in front of me. And I can see my feet as I'm walking. I can still crouch. Can push objects around. The crouch system still works as I did before. Obviously, I'm not shooting anything just yet. And I got this little soccer ball. I can kick around. Just to test out the physics. But for some reason, it doesn't work like I want it to, so. Okay, anyway, and I can jump onto objects. When I look down, it will go down. I can take cover. And I accidentally deleted the stairs, so I can't get up there anymore. Maybe I can. No, I can't. Okay. So that's what I got so far for you guys. Like I said, I will be uploading this, and as I upload it, I will be uploading the next video as I go. Let me get this thing off there. Get off. Get off. I don't want you. Bye. Ah. Okay, so let me just do it like this now. So this isn't in the way. There we go. And this is a sensor with detect actors and a collision bounds. Okay, so we want this invisible. Well, if you're wondering what that is, that's actually the inside of the face. I still can't figure that part out just yet, but okay, and I can see my ads is not working like I need it to. I can see what that is. That's just my animation messing around. Alright. So the more I turn, the more it jumps out of place. But alright, I can fix that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be adding slides. When you press C, it will slide. This thing has a huge glow. Get off. Piece of crap. Okay. So if by any chance you wanna add something to fire from, I would recommend you adding empty right here by the barrel. Somewhere around there. Shift A, mesh empty, and just use a plane axis, move it forward. GZ. Okay, and to make sure it just. Okay, what am I gonna add? I think I'm gonna add the soccer ball just to showcase, just to show you that you can actually do that. So I'm gonna use the left mouse button, mouse, skip about 7 frames. I think that's what I got on the shooting. Let me see. Fire. Oh no, it's 4 frames. My bad. Okay, so I'm not gonna be able to add the soccer ball just yet because I have to make it invisible. But before I do that, I'm just gonna do this. Edit object, give it a motion of Y. And also, let's just select this solid. There we go. I'm gonna add that in. Let me just give it a bit more motion. Then I can add this. It should work now, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And also, just to let's make it like 12 frames. Then I can go into play and oh, and I did not parent that. So this will be apparent to this. Control, well, tab. Control P and bone. So 0 and hit play again. Okay, so it's not rotating with the object, as you can see, because it's only going on the Y, and to fix that, we want it to go on the Y local. Okay, the time might be a little, make it maybe. Obviously, they're not pushing objects around like you think it would, because I don't have a lot of. I can actually do something like that. Instead of adding this, I'm gonna add this. Okay, so add object, just take this away. And let's add this guy right here. No, actually Shift D. Then scale it down. Easy. I'm gonna add that one. So I can now shoot that. Pretty cool. Now, just to make it a little faster, I'm gonna go back into my MT and give it a little bit more of a oomph. Maybe more. Okay, so that's how you do that. Pretty cool, but I feel it's way too slow. That's a little better. I am the one shooting out cubes. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna be uploading this file so you can use it for yourself. I actually have this pistol here as well. I actually turned it to the leg, but when I did the new armature, yeah, it didn't work out. And also the animation for the walking isn't the best. Also, it's not doing the running animation, which I am going to add in as I go. But right now, I don't really have time. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, otherwise I'm gonna shoot you. Die, mother. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna upload this to my Dropbox or maybe Blend Swap, and I'll put a link in the description for both. And thanks for watching and have a nice day. Oh, and there was one more thing. I just want to go in here quickly. Not this. This. Okay, so with this character control rig, I had someone that says, well, Nikki Mickage, whatever. I can't really pronounce that. I'm really sorry about that, but I love this video so much. Sir, can you make a series tutorial for a sports game? What kind of sports game do you want me to make? What kind of series? Okay. Be more specific on this. Well, I have issue making a sports game, like put animation on more realistic things. More realistic things, okay. So please be a bit more specific on what you want me to do, and I will do it. If not, just give me a blend file of yourself, and just upload it to Blend Swap or send it to my email. I did reply to your I did reply to you, so please be sure to give me a blend file so I can see what you're working with, so I can help you. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.